Hi, this is a BBC Microbit. It's a completely programmable device. I bought this for my son to learn programming, and it just looks like a small piece of circuitry board. No, it's completely programmable. You can use JavaScript, you can create music, games, even radio interfaces with sort of basic Scratch interfacing or even hardcore programming. And you can even control from this robots like this, and there's a whole range of this stuff that you can use and build for Microbit. Now I'm going to show you the interface for this in a minute. It's like a Scratch programmable that you just log in onto any website and see these LEDs here. This is light up LEDs. This is the buttons that you can press to get it to do things. It's even got tilt sensitivity, microphone, sound sensitive, light, compass. It is just insane, and my child loves it, and it's quite big in schools at the moment as well. So it would take hours to talk about this whole thing, and just Google it, watch the videos, and I'm going to log on and show you the interface now. So this is the Microbit site you'll do to create all your projects, your programming. So once you've made an account and you've logged in, you're faced with all this pre-made templates and tutorials and all sorts you can try. This is where you start your new project. I'm just really briefly going over this. You can see some of these. You've got Morse code, clapping lights where it reacts to sound. You can blow, dice games, snap the dart, and then you can even start adding some new hardware, arcade buttons, programmable LEDs. It really is crazy what this little thing can do. If I go down here, you can even like milk carton robot. I mean, look at all this stuff you can do. So I'm just going to really basically show you something really basic. So when you go into the actual code editor, you can see a picture of your Microbit here. And this is where you've got all your easy to use, child-friendly sort of coding node-based editors. So if I click on input, you can have choose what happens when the button's pressed or when the whole device is shook, and you can shake it to activate things. And then you've got your basic, you've got the LEDs here. So let's just do something really, really basic. So I'm just going to drag. When button A is pressed, I'm going to go basic. I'm going to go show LEDs, and you can see that when I drag it over, it just pops into place. And now I'm just going to say, let's create a heart pattern. So I'm going to go up to here. I'm just drawing these in myself. Okay, so now it says when button A is pressed, we're going to create a heart. And now I'm going to create another one. So let's have a on button B pressed, and now I'm going to go to more LEDs, and I'm just doing something really basic here to show you, and then we'll see if it works on the actual Microbit. I'm just going to create a cross like this. Okay, and now you can actually go over here and actually test your program. So let's press one button, you've got a heart, and another button, you've got a cross. So now we're going to check this on the actual Microbit. Just after I just show you some of these, you can see how complex it gets. You've got radios and loops. You can even go to here and go to JavaScript and see your JavaScript code of what you've created, or the child-friendly sort of basic blocks. You got maths, you got variables. You can see how advanced this thing gets, and then it gets down into here with the really hardcore stuff. Games, you can move your sprite, use it to control all sorts, text, arrays, and functions. So it gets pretty crazy. So anyone can use it, even from the age of 4 upwards, really. But then you can take it to as complicated as you want. So we've created this really basic interface. Let's see if this works on our actual Microbit. It's really easy. You just click download with the cable attached, and it just goes straight into the machine. And this is the result of that really simple program we did. Here's the Microbit. If you remember what we put on the LED lights in the program, I'm going to press one of the buttons, you get the cross. I'm going to press the other one, and you get the heart. And that is one of the most simplest basic programs we could do. We could have got it to program to control the movement of a robot. We could have done some tilt. We could have added music. We could have added JavaScript, all sorts. That's one of the most basic uses of what I can show you here in the time we've got. Now, my child loves this. We're going to continue to buy more accessories for it and learn further and go into deeper coding with it. And I hope your children really enjoy it too.